We are a little lost. So shiny. Hey guys, welcome back to this week's vlog. And for this week's vlog, we're going to Kaaterskill mountain again. It's the Kaaterskill falls, but apparently it's just gonna be this 1.5 hour trail that's supposed to be really nice, and the views and also the fall, it's gonna be icy. It's a frozen waterfall sort of feeling. So I don't know, we'll see. But also, just an FYI, by the time I get there, the sun might already set because I have a unhealthy sleep schedule. I mean, it's a pretty fixed. And also I'll be going to Canada soon, so let me know if there's any good Canada restaurants. But yeah, hopefully for today at least everything's gonna be smooth, because apparently today is also the only day that's sunny in like the next 2 weeks. So yeah. Also, look at my contacts. These are the new ones I got. I feel like they go really well with the snow and everything, because it's actually light blue and then the snow is white, like blue white.
You got it.
Yeah. I just did my makeup in the car, and we're currently 25 minutes away from the parking lot at the fall. So exciting. Restroom break. I mean, the sun is still pretty nice, so there should be enough time. I don't want to rush things, you know, so yeah.
When you're drunk and feeling lonely, don't text me things you don't mean. You know I'll fall for it once and again. You keep me guessing and you keep on messing with me. Am I just another girl to you? I'm always stressing and begging your love, boy, I'm craving. No baby, my head you'll check out. 보고 싶다고 해줘. 날 사랑한다고 해줘. You don't know a damn thing. 넌 나만 모르잖아. Play with my feelings, you won't ever know. I just can't coming back. I'm falling for you. I just can't coming back.
Hey guys, we just arrived at the fall parking lot and we're gonna put these on because the roads are gonna be icy.
모든 옷을 옷씩 노 어디로 가는지 몰라 내 옆에 너만 있으면 되는데
We're done.
가끔은 나도 믿게 돼 들고 again it's like a fool
Okay, let's go.
나 흥분하지 않겠다고 했으면서도 네가 외로웠던 거 몰랐어
So we're here.
만나게 돼 Got me feeling bad now so 맘을 숨길 때면 아마 죽을 때까지 너 사랑할 것 같아 You're the only one I'ma follow
싶다고 해줘.
Alright, and we're gonna start our trip right now.
You don't know a damn thing. 넌 나만 모르잖아.
No, the sun is setting.
My feelings, you won't ever know. I just can't coming back. I'm falling for you. I just can't coming back. I keep on falling. I'm falling. I just can't coming back.
This is the main road, but then we also found this shortcut. So we think we're gonna give it a try because we're running a little late. So yeah. It's so freaking cold. Okay, so we don't know if we're in the right direction because we don't really have service here, but our destination is to be at the lower fall, so I think going downhill is the correct path here. But we'll see. I mean, it's okay because the experience is everything. We'll just trust whatever fate leads us to. Okay, we're gonna try to do you guys see the foot marks right there? Down there? We're gonna try to get to there. So we have to find a trail and then walk all the way to the bottom there. But hopefully we're gonna make it before the sun sets. And I'm freezing. What the fuck is wrong with my hair? Alright. Jack is like slowly coming here. So we're currently at site 4 of the Kaaterskill club, but I think we're still pretty high, so we're not anywhere near the bottom yet. We're not lost, are we? But without further ado, let's get going. So I think we are a little lost. I mean, I just hope that we don't forget where the route that we come from. Hopefully. But yeah, fingers crossed. Look, can you guys see the moon? It's so shiny. Bye bye, the song. It's getting a little dark, yeah. I don't want to risk my life here. So we're going back. We'll definitely come another time, but it's just we're gonna prevent next time being this late. We're gonna try to go back to the viewing platform before heading back. But yes, I mean, I think it's worth it, even though it is really sad that we weren't able to get to the bottom, but safety first, right? So yeah. God, hiking is pretty tiring, I have to say. It's harder than I thought. I mean, maybe also because I haven't hiked in like a year or two already, so maybe that's why. You know, before coming here, next to the entrance, there's the map of the fall, and then on there next to the map, there's also just a sign that says be careful of bears, because there are bears that are coming out. But yeah, fun, yay. I don't know. But look at the view. It's actually not bad. We're back to the viewing platform, but the view right now, it's not bad, even though the sun is going down, but it's still solid. So nice. We're gonna check out the map again to make sure we're on the right track before heading back. Currently it's 6:25 and we're going back. Yay. Okay, guys, we're in the car right now and we're gonna head back. It's been a tiring afternoon, but yeah, I feel like it's pretty worth it. Hey guys, we're back at McDonald's again. Jack is currently in the bathroom, but I am gonna. We're 1 hour and 57 minutes away from New York City, but we're gonna grab something to eat before hitting the road. It's currently 7:11 p.m. Jack drove on the way here, so I'm gonna be the one that's driving for the way back. So fine. Hi guys, I'm currently home with Doko. Get my makeup off, and then I'm gonna change. Ooh, you okay, Doko? And then I'm gonna change, and then I'll see you guys in the next video. But bye. Say bye, Doko. Yay! Say bye, Doko. Bye, guys.